Good afternoon, guys. In this video, I'll be doing an impression of Dr. Nefarious from Ratchet Clank Up Your Arsenal. This is a remake of one of my old videos. Be shorter than the one I already have. Here we go. Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy, the hour of your liberation is at hand. Too long have we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask under the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated. That's all for now. Lawrence! Okay, guys, that's it. Have a good day. See y'all real soon. Hope you liked it. In the words of Dimitri, peace out.